Akiaria hindi ya mihang'o ya guthurima mutaratara wa gutuma uniformu icio, Minister Matiang'i na murunawe wa mbeu njithi na utungata wa muingi Margaret Kobia ni mahutitio nikio kia arutwo a NYS kuria nguo icio iratumirwo.
From this day forward, I want to ask my colleagues in cabinet whose institutions make uniforms, regardless of the number of uniforms they make them in Kenya. Because the capacity is clear, we have capacities to do this. Let us support our economy.
Wiro ucio wihokeirwo arutwo 250 aria o muthenya maratuma uniformu 1000 rungu rwa arutani ao. Mihang'o ĩrĩa ĩrahonokeria thirikari makiria ma ciringi milioni 700.
We should feel proud as Kenyans that we can have a production unit of this size, that we can be able to make uniform for this country, provide jobs, and at the end of it, of course, when they wear this uniform, they serve Kenyans.
It is absolute foolishness to spend our resources to import things we can find here. And then there's government. The government is the greatest consumer of goods and services. The money we use for these goods and services is not our money, it's money from tax revenue from Kenyan taxpayers.
Nikurumirira giko giki kuria thirikari kwitukira kamiti ya muritwo guthurima tabarira cia thirikari yugite ni ihotorete kuona ati uniform ciothe cia honge cia thirikari iritumagirwo o guku.
It's a great day, but it's also a sad day, because in the sense this capacity has been with us for a long time. The capacity at GTI, these machines were installed more than 40 years ago. So the fact that they have been idle only until recently when we chose to actualize this policy is a disgrace for us, but as government, I'm glad that we have woken up and are utilizing this capacity.
Uki wa nguo ici njeru ni umwe mogaruruku maria thirikari ya Uhuru Kenyatta irigite gwika ruhonge-ini rwa borithi na uria riu rurete gukinyanirio igana kwa igana. Wiro wa moko ma mbeu njithi aya ni kionereria gia taranda nyingi iria cianaga mucuruguria kuma matura-ini na hindi no makoro mari na uguni munene kuri bururi, kuna ati muhano mwega ni macini iria ciakinyire guku miaka 40 bata wacio ukionekana umuthi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma guku muci munene wa Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Julius Kareithi wa Munene.